Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Catchberry's Collection. Today I'll be showing people how I made this beautiful kiddies gown that you are seeing here. If this is what you wanted to watch, just make sure you watch this video to the end, and please subscribe to my channel and like all my videos. Thank you so much. So let's get started. So these are the materials I'm going to use for this outfit. This is a super material. I have just half yard here. This is a super material. I have just half yard here. So this is the Ankara I'm going to combine it with. Then this is my sticker that I'm going to place on top of the gown. I have my tape, I have my scissors over here and my chalk. So I folded my fabric into 4 because I'm going to cut the front and back together. So what I'm doing is to take the measurement of the gown, then remove the length of the Ankara. So this is what I am doing here. You know, I'm going to attach the Ankara down there. So I've removed the length of the Ankara. This is me marking out the shoulder. And the neck width. I use 2 inches for the neck width and 2 inches for the neck depth. Then connect it together. So I've marked out the back neck width as well and depth. So I use 2 inches by 1. So I'm marking out zip allowance, and I used 1 inch for the zip allowance. So this is my 1 inch shoulder slope. And my armhole. So this is my bust measurement plus 1.5 inches allowance, because the gown is not going to be fitted on the baby's body. So for the down here, because it's going to be like A-line gown, I've marked out my hip measurement, the baby's hip measurement, then plus 3 inches. You can use either 3 inches or 4 or 5, depending on how free you wanted your gown to be. So this is me connecting the lines. So I've detected the center of the armhole and mark out 1/2 inch in, then connect it to the shoulder, then to the bust as well. So this is it. This is the gown. So I've cut it out. I've gone ahead to cut it out. And this is it. This is the back. While, okay, please note, I removed 1 inch from the side of the gown so that I'll give it a curve. So now I'm going to sew it in by 1 inch and attach my zip. I'm going to sew the back in. So this is the Ankara I'm going to use for it. This is the Ankara. What you need to do is to take the round measurement of the gown and multiply it by 2. That will serve for the front and the back. Then you can now choose to multiply it either by 3 or by 2, depending on how full you wanted the gown to be. So this is my front and my back. What I have to do is to bias the front and the back before attaching the ruffles. You can do it gather, you can do pleating. It depends on how you want your own to be. But mine, I'm going to gather my own. So this is it. I'm done with the biasing and I've attached my zipper. So what I have to do is to shape the gown. Remember, I added 1.5 inches. So I've gone ahead to shape the gown, and this is it. And I've placed my sticker. Don't forget to put pepper while ironing your own. So this is me ironing it. Give it a good press. Don't use too much hot iron. Just press it, give it a good press. Then allow it to cool small before removing it, okay? And don't pull it by force. So remove gently. Please, if you enjoy what I'm doing here, please like my YouTube channel. Thank you. And please, if you need the sticker, you can send. Just keep it in the comment section. I'm going to say it, then I'll attend to you. Tantala, I'm done with the gown. So this is it. Take a look at how beautiful the gown is. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.